Master the digital frontier and secure the network with advanced cyber ops expertise. Gain the analytical precision required to identify and neutralize sophisticated modern threats. Remember, security is not just a product, but a constant process of vigilance. Master the entire curriculum through 305 rigorous practice quizzes. Navigate our comprehensive roadmap covering networking protocols, security principles, cryptography, and cloud infrastructure. Unlock your six-figure potential as you prepare for high-growth roles in the Security Operations Center. Build real-world capability with 47 hands-on labs and 96 exam objectives across 15 structured chapters. Secure your future in the cybersecurity industry today for $279.99. Begin your certification journey and take the next step in your professional career. If you need further assistance or have questions, please reach out to our support team.